as cute as bean, but it's cute. Anyway. Welcome back to the channel. Got something else special for y'all today. Ali is going to be installing the ZL1 Addons body kit rear extension. Now you can get the rear extension by itself, or you can get them as a package with the side skirts and the front splitter. Just so you know, we will be installing the entire kit, but for the purpose of this specific video, it's only going to be the rear extensions. We wanted to break it up like that because we imagine some people will maybe only want the rear extension. So we'll go ahead and show y'all this part, and then later on down the line, we'll have a video for when we install the rest of the kit. So y'all, these parts were provided by our sponsor, American Authority. You can check them out at AmericanAuthority.com. I'm going to put a link to the ZL1 Addons rear extension. We're also going to give you a separate link for the ZL1 Addons entire body kit for the Charger models that have the SRT body kit. We're going to put those in the description, so make sure you check that out if you're interested. Now, some of y'all probably have a Charger that does not have the SRT body kit, so you're probably wondering to yourself, how can I get one of those? You know what? I'm glad you asked. Today is your special and lucky day. ZL1 Addons offers a kit for Charger RTs model year 2015 through 2020. So we're going to post a link to that also. That way, if y'all don't have the SRT body kit, you can still get these extensions. You can still get this body kit, boo. Don't forget to use our discount code SheFast, all one word, no spaces, don't matter if it's capital or lowercase, SheFast. Before we jump into the video, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, so at this point, we're gonna go ahead and turn it over to Ali for this super easy install.
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing these rear extension pieces from ZL1 Addons. So this is something I would recommend if you're going to do it, to go ahead, if you want the rock guards, go ahead and get these pieces first. The reason being is this piece, the extension, does not have an exact location where you mount it, so you can have it sitting out as far as you want. But if you have the rock guards like we do, you'll notice that you will probably want to line it up with those rock guards so it's not sticking like way out here or something. So just to give it a more uniform look, you'll want to use the rock guard as a guide. So as you can see, this part has holes pre-drilled into it. Those are going to be the locations where we're actually going to use some rivets. And so the kit does include the rivets that you need. You will need a rivet gun, so if you don't have one, you're going to definitely want to pick one of those up. You can find them on Amazon, probably pretty much any hardware store as well. Not too difficult of a thing to use. So this is the other side right here, the passenger side one. We're going to start out on the passenger side. Actually, I already have the car jacked up, as you can see, and we're just going to start down in this area here. So what we're going to do when we put this piece up there, we're going to screw it in probably about right here, because that's going to give us room to kind of pivot this around and get it lined up exactly where we want it. Then we're going to need to also drill into the actual underpiece of the car so that the rivets have somewhere to go. The kit that I picked up, though, I got this on Amazon, and it already comes with drill bits, and it also has some extra rivets in here. It comes with rivets, drill bits, the actual rivet gun right here. So I'll put a link in the description as well if you want to pick one of these up off of Amazon. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm just using some regular alcohol here. You can use whatever cleaner you want, really, because no tape is going up here or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have it screwed in right there. And what that allows me to do is kind of swivel it as needed. So I want it to be about right there. I want it right here. coming with our first rivet. Cool, so that's holding pretty good right there. And from the outside, this is what it's looking like. So yeah, lined up pretty much about where I wanted it at. So let's go ahead and finish drilling, and then we'll do the other rivets and be done with it. Basically, you just stick it in there like this. Line it up with the hole and squeeze it a few times. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so that's installed. So all the rivets are in, have it lined up. Hopefully Shamilia likes it. It's really a minor piece anyway, because the main thing is when you get those side skirts on, and also the front splitter, that's really going to set it all off. This is just kind of a added bonus piece back here. So let's get it off the jack and go ahead and knock out the other side. All right guys, so Shamilia helped me hold this piece here, which made it a lot easier while I put the screw in to hold it in place. I drilled a couple of rivet holes, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one in. And then we just have a few more after that, and we should be good to go. So we're just going to remove the screw that we use to position it, just right here. And now we're going to need to drill this one out so that the rivet will fit inside of it. So now this is our last rivet. Boom, done.
All right, y'all, so that is it for today's install video. Let me give y'all a final look of the outside finished result. Here they are right here, and they also have the same texture as the deluxe. If y'all didn't check out our deluxe rock guard video, make sure y'all do that when this video is over so that y'all can see. I mean, they work really, or they look really good together. You can see how the extension, the rear extension, kind of complements the rock guard. It almost just makes it look like a shadow effect on the car or something like that. I really like it. It's subtle. It's almost like, you know, what is that on her car? What she got on her car? I don't got that on mine. Where'd she get that from? AmericanAuthority.com. Y'all, it's so bright out here, like you can barely see it. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Ew. Yes. Yes. So you can definitely see how it accents the rock guards. I'm excited, y'all. Don't forget, we're going to be getting the side skirts. So we'll have the black side skirts down there, the bottom of the car. And don't forget, we're also going to be getting the front splitter as well. It is black, and of course it'll go right down here on the front bumper. But we'll do that in another video down the line. So for now, just get into these here rear extensions. Yes. Get back up in the car. Oh my goodness, it is 104 degrees outside, so Y'all, if y'all enjoyed that install video, if you like the way that the products look, make sure that you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to our channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a new video. Like I said, if y'all like the product, we did post a link in the description below. Make sure y'all check out AmericanAuthority.com. Create an account, use our discount code SheFast for 5% off, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Thank you so much for your support. Peace. So today, Ali is going to be installing the ZL1. Dang, this is a mouthful, just so you know. This is a lot. And yeah, let's go ahead and turn it over to Ali and see what he getting ready to do. That was terrible. Now you can get the rear extend. You can get the rear. Ali is going to be installing the. Check them out. No. Back that up. So these parts were. Oh Lord! Cut that part out. We're gonna put that. We're gonna put those. How can I get one of those? You know what? I am so glad you're asked. Dang. ZL1 Addons has a body kit for chargers without the SRT body kit. What? These for model year 2015 to through. I'm about to give up. Ouch! My arm. The heck? ZL1 Addons. Oh my gosh. Make sure you create it. Make sure to remember to set up. And we're also going to be getting the front splinters. And we're also going to be, that way you can earn up those miles so that you can have money off of your future purchases. Oh my gosh. Now make sure y'all don't forget to set up. Now y'all don't forget to set up an account. No, my God. What you looking at? He wasn't even looking. There he is. Hi. I don't know about that. I might have to redo that joint. Whew.